Hey, welcome back to H&H TV. Been a while since we've done one of these, and I want to give a big shout out to customer Bobby Trevino for inspiring us to do this one today. If you watched our social media post, you saw that the 56 taillights are back in stock. This is from a new vendor. They did produce them for years and then discontinued them and was letting another vendor produce it, but now they've brought them back out. This is from Gene Smith Reproductions, and American made, great product. So as you can see, we've never opened these, so this is going to be our first time opening them, taking a look at them. So obviously nicely packaged. Each one of them come with seal, bulb, and the mounting hardware that you need. This is the driver's side one I've got. These are cast in the States, made in the States, put together in the States, you name it. I'm impressed. You can tell they're genuine Gene Smith's, got their name in the casting. This is the driver's side one, of course, on 56. The driver's side is that's some pretty smooth action. That was a problem on the very first versions of these. It would kind of come down and kind of hang there, where you can see this one. Very, very smooth action. Locks. They come assembled just like you see them. Tail light lens, backup, and the reflector already installed. This has got the Guidex print and everything on it. So, I mean, it's made just like, the only thing that's different is the fact that it's got the Gene Smith logo and everything in it. Plating on them is, you can get a close-up here, Jason. Plating on them is real nice. I'm impressed. I am impressed. So, Logan, if you're watching these, Logan's the owner out there at Gene Smith. Good job on these. I'm impressed. These are available on the site right now. We'll also have them on the show trailer at events, starting at Cruising the Coast in Biloxi, which is going to be our next event that we do. We'll have them there, but they are available on site. And just to give you a little bit of a sneak peek, starting Saturday morning, these are going to be part of our Labor Day sale. It's going to go on all next week as well. So thanks for tuning in. Again, Bobby, appreciate you taking the time to recommend the review on them. We're impressed with them, and you're definitely going to get Trey's approval on these.